the eve of the civic elections in West Bengal, Times now travels to Nanur and uncovers the ugly side to West Bengal politics, where illegal arms and a violent political turf war has been going on for decades.
Nanur in West Bengal. The battlefield of the war between the CPM and Trinamool Congress. Times now travel to the Nanur area of the state highway. This was what we saw. Men armed with guns and crude bombs advancing menacingly at villagers. Yes, goons and guns rule here.
On the eve of the civic polls, it's very clear that the political parties will try to capture their areas, and this is the way they're doing it here in West Bengal.
It's a decade-long war, and political rivals now choosing to fight it out even before the democratic exercise begins. This is their way of wresting control of territory. The men constantly supplied with ammunition from nearby districts, sometimes even from Bihar.
Political parties when the government and the police say that they are helpless, they cannot check, they cannot control the smuggling of this kind of arms. We can talk to one of these fighters who is fighting here for quite some time. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम लोग पाकुड़ से आया है.
किस लिए?
लड़ाई करने के लिए.
But neither the CPM or TMC want to claim these men as their own.
লোকাল সংগঠন নেই সিপিএমের, এরা বাইরে থেকে লোক এনে ভাড়াটিয়া গুন্ডা এনে অর্থাৎ নদিয়া, মুর্শিদাবাদ, বিহারে পাকুড় এবং বীরভূম সংলগ্ন মঙ্গলকোট অর্থাৎ বর্ধমান থেকে লোক এনে এই এলাকায় সন্ত্রাস তৈরি করছে।
হ্যাঁ, পুরাপুরি তো রাজনৈতিক লড়াই। আজকে দীর্ঘ 33 বছর ওরা গদিতে আছে, সেই গদি লোভটা তো ওদের আছে। কারণ আজকে দেখছি আমরা যদি এখান থেকে চলে যাই তাহলে তো আমাদেরকে মেরে দেবে, সেই ভয়ে।
With innocent villagers caught in between, it makes you wonder whose dirty war are these men fighting anyway.
না.
With Shomit Pal in Nanur, Sumita Narayanan.